Samsung Galaxy S9 owners waiting for Android 9 Pie may have just received some good news. Samsung Galaxy S9 owners eagerly waiting for Android 9 Pie to launch on the flagship may have just received some good news. Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus were released back in March and touted a number of incredible features that made both phones extremely appealing. In addition to moving its fingerprint scanner to a more accessible location, the device came packing a blisteringly fast processor and a brand new camera system capable of taking gorgeous snaps. Express.co.uk adored the Android device when it launched, giving it a full 5 out of 5 stars in our review. Technology editor David Snelling noted, "There's no question that the S9 Plus is a contender for smartphone of the year. With its stunning curved design it still looks sublime and the display is without doubt one of the best you'll find on phone. This new flagship also offers a slick experience with a processor that's powerful enough to act as your home PC." Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus released running Android Oreo that has since been succeeded by Android 9 Pie. The latest and greatest operating system from Google debuted back in August and is currently available on Pixel phones. The Essential phone has also received the update. A number of other Android flagships have been confirmed to receive the update, but Samsung has so far stayed relatively quiet about Android 9 Pie. But now XDA Developers has posted photos of Samsung's Experience software running on top of Android 9 Pie, providing a tantalizing look at what future software could look like on the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Samsung Experience is the skin that runs over Android that makes software from on products from the South Korean technology giant look different to that of other devices running Google's operating system. The publication insisted a number of changes are present in the update but admitted the firmware was a very early development build of Android Pie and therefore bugs were prominent. A new AMOLED dark theme was one of the most notable additions discussed and essentially acts as a dark mode for the entire Android user interface. Native applications such as the Samsung Messages app were shown updated in the new software, with many offering their own dark theme. Gesture controls were also present on the software, a feature Google widely discussed when it showed off Android 9 Pie for the first time. The American technology giant said they were introduced in an attempt to make navigating easier on devices that have large displays. Google said, "Making your phone smarter and more adaptive is important, but we also want Android to be easier to use and more approachable." In Android 9, we've introduced a new system navigation featuring a single home button. This is especially helpful as phones grow taller and it's more difficult to get things done on your phone with one hand. With a single, clean home button, you can swipe up to see a newly designed overview, the spot where at a glance you have full-screen previews of your recently used apps. XDA Developers posted a number of images showcasing Android 9 Pie running on Samsung hardware. And Sam Mobile has since confirmed Samsung is currently testing Android 9 Pie for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus in every country at the moment. Such news will surely be well received by Samsung fans hoping for the latest and greatest software. However, it is currently unclear when a final build of Android 9 Pie will arrive on the flagships. It is possible Samsung could release beta versions of the software, that would likely feature more prominent bugs, before a release to all device owners.